In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up quota targets in Sales Cloud using Salesforce. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to log into Salesforce. Take a moment to enter your credentials and access the main dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, we'll be navigating to the Setup menu. This can be done by locating the gear icon situated on the upper right corner of the page. A single click on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Setup. You'll immediately be directed to the Setup home. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll notice a Quick Find field on the page. This feature is incredibly handy for swiftly locating specific settings. What you'll do next is type Forecast Settings into the Quick Find bar. Once you spot Forecast Settings on the list, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up several options related to forecasting, and what we're interested in right now is turning on the forecasting feature. To do this, you'll simply need to toggle the switch to the On position. This is an essential step because forecasting is the backbone of setting quota targets within the platform. With forecasting now activated, it's time to choose your forecast type. The type you select depends on what aspects of your sales process you want to emphasize. You can choose from options such as opportunities or product families. Consider your organizational needs and pick the type that aligns best with your current goals and metrics. Each represents a crucial aspect of business visibility, impacting how your teams manage sales performance. Once you've determined and selected the appropriate forecast type, your next step is to move over to the Forecast Quotas tab. You can find this by tracking your navigation pane or simply using the Quick Find bar again if needed. In the Forecast Quotas tab, you'll see an option to Show Quotas. Clicking on this will allow you to define and input your quota targets. At this stage, you need to select the user or role to whom these quotas will apply. Choose carefully to ensure everyone relevant in your sales structure is accounted for. Next, you're going to enter the specific quota value applicable to the user or role you've chosen. This is a crucial detail as it sets the benchmark against which performance is measured. Once you've filled in the necessary information, don't forget to hit Save. Saving locks in these targets, making them visible and actionable. Finally, the great news is that your users can now view these quotas directly in the Forecast tab. This visibility empowers your team members to track their progress towards meeting their assigned sales targets and benchmarks. It's a straightforward way to ensure everyone is aligned with your organization's sales objectives. And there you have it. You've successfully set up quota targets in Sales Cloud. This setup is pivotal for managing your sales team's performance and driving productive outcomes. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you navigate Salesforce's robust features.